Just got finished threading this barrel. It's a Contender barrel. It's rather short. The spider works good for doing short barrels. Got adjustments on each end so you get the run out to a minimum. It's a 22 long rifle. The threads are 1/2 inch 28, about a 1/2 inch long. Just got through threading it. Got the suppressor in my hand here. We're going to see if this fits. Should be a pretty snug fit. There it is up against the shoulder, good and snug. Have to check the run out a little bit with the indicator, but I'm just going to go ahead and turn the lathe on and look for some run out.
We know this is ridiculous.
Doesn't look too terribly bad. Some run out in the spider up here at the end. Focus on there. How about this camera? Oh, it looks pretty good. You say there's a little bit there on that spider.
Successive inflammation and
There's a Contender again. It's a fairly old model. Haven't shot it in a while. Just got to tinker and decided I'm going to put a suppressor on it. We're going to shoot it here in just a bit. Again, here's some old 22 target ammo I picked up a long time ago in modern day Remington Golden Bullet bulk pack. Got some CCI there, but I don't think I'm going to shoot it. I don't have a whole lot of it. Again, we're going to test this thing out here a little bit, see what she does. Well, here we are. I'm going to test this suppressor out outside. I got a steel plate. It's approximately 75 yards, a 10-inch swinger. I got some old Remington 22 target that I need to shoot up. I guess it's standard velocity, but let's see what it does here. played a little louder too. Still fairly quiet. Hearing safe. I like a pellet gun. Dud. On the dud or this contender maybe bad too on the headspace. Still fairly quiet. I don't know how those hits are going to wind up on video, but you can definitely hear it. Another dud. I don't know, I might have a problem with this barrel on this gun. Head spacing. Yeah, that one was a little louder, it seemed like. Still shooting this golden bullet on this bullet pack Remington. Here's the place where it shot just a few minutes ago. The one on the left was done with the Remington target. The right was the bulk pack Golden Bullet by Remington. I wasn't really striving for accuracy, but it shoots fairly decent. Probably hit a rabbit or so without much effort. There's where I was shooting from. Right there.